working on GMetrix Word Expert Practice Exam number 1. We're currently on the 4th project called Office 2016. Task 1 asks us to go ahead and create a character style named index based on the default paragraph style with italics applied. So there are a few ways we could do this, but for this step we're just going to do this way. Home tab, we're in the styles group. We're going to go ahead and click the dialog box to pop this open. Down here in the bottom of this window we want to click new style. We'll go ahead and type in index, capital I, and the style type is going to be character style, and it's going to be based upon the default paragraph style, and then you don't want to miss the part of the step that says to apply italics. So we'll go ahead and do all that. We'll click OK, and we can close out of that box. We'll go ahead and click mark completed. Task 2 asks us to go ahead and mark an index entry for all instances of the word Excel. So let's go ahead and use the navigation pane, and we'll do Control F on your keyboard, or it's on your home tab, find underneath the editing. But we'll type in Excel. We'll go ahead and select our first entry here, and we'll go ahead and close out of that. And what we want to do is go to the References tab here at the top. We want to click Mark Entry. And we want to go ahead and click mark all because it says for all. Close that. Notice that it went ahead and marked it for us. We'll go ahead and click mark completed. Task 3 asks us to go ahead and add a caption above this image right here that reads Figure 1 Share Panel. So we'll go ahead and right click here, and we're on the References tab. You could click Insert Citation. I'm a right clicker if I can. We'll go ahead and click that. We want to add the colon here, and we want to type in capital share, capital panel, and then it says that we need to add the caption above the image. So right here it's positioned to go below. We'll click above, and we'll go ahead and click OK. We'll click mark completed. Task 4 asks us to go ahead and save this theme in our GMetrix folder as Office 2016. So we want to go to the Design tab here at the top, and we want to click the Themes drop down, and we'll click Save Current Theme. When you do that, it often takes you to a document themes folder. We need to go ahead and map that to our GMetrix templates folder. We'll go ahead and type in Office 2016, and we'll don't select that thing at the bottom. It will save it incorrectly. We'll go ahead and click Save. We'll click Mark Completed. And Task 5 asks us to go ahead and add alternate text to this image. So we'll go ahead and right click it. And again, there are other ways to do this, but I'm a right clicker. And what I did was I clicked Format Picture after I right clicked. We're up here, we're in the Layout and Properties section of the Format Picture group or section, and we'll click the Alt Text drop down, and all we're doing is adding a title here. So we'll go ahead and type in Share Panel, and again notice the capital on that. We'll go ahead and close out of that. We'll click Mark Completed.